Hello everyone, my name is Sonali. I have taken a challenge for 21 days to speak in English. This is my day one and I am going to introduce myself. My name is Sonali. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I live with my family and my family is very important to me. We are very simple and supportive family. My parents always motivate me to work hard, and become successful in life. They teach me good values like honesty, respect and kindness. I have completed my Bachelor of Art from Awadh University. Education is very important for me. I believe it is the key to the better future. I always try to learn new things and improve myself every day. Talking about my hobbies. My hobbies like I enjoy listening to music, reading books and watching motivational videos. I also love to do gardening because gardening feel me happy. Another important goal in my life is self improvement. I want to improve my English speaking skills because English helps us in job, communication and confidence. I believe that good communication can open many doors in life. I also want to lose weight and become healthier. Health is wealth, and I understand that taking care of our body is very important. I am trying to eat healthy food, stay active, and maintain a good routine. My future goal is to get a good job and become financially independent and make my family proud. I want to become a confident and successful person who who helps others too. I believe that success does not come in one day, but it comes with hard work, patience, and consistency. So I keep trying and never give up. Thank you. Please give me feedback what what is my mistakes and what is good thing in my speech. See you in next video. Bye bye.